guys, today we are going to see about what is programming and what's programming language. So first of all we see about what is programming. So programming is nothing but it's a coding or helps to develop the software. So we will be communicating with the computer with one language that is called programming language for doing some specific task. So that is what I have given the process of giving instruction to the computer to perform the specific task. And these instructions are written in the special languages called the programming languages like Python, Java, C++, and etc. So in simple, we can say that programming is a technique or it is a teaching the computer what to do and how to do in a step-by-step manner. So let's see what is the programming language types. So there are three main types. So first one is low level language, medium level language, high level language. So low level language is nothing but it is very close to the computer brain. It's easily understood by the computer. Its language is the low level language, but it's very tough to understand for the humans because they will be talking in the zeros and ones like a binary code. So that's what we will be saying as machine language, assembly language. It is majorly used in the operating system, microchips in the washing machine. It's very hard to learn but very powerful. So you may be asking me that what is machine language and assembly language. So let's see the machine language first. So the machine language is nothing but a language which computer can understand exactly and easily, which will be written in the zeros and ones which I have told you earlier. So if example, let's take a hello means it will be in the zeros and ones format. It will be understood by the computer, but we have to learn the sequence. So that's very hard. And assembly language is not that much tough comparative to machine language. It's easier than machine language because it's using mnemonics instead of this binary code zeros and ones. So each assembly command translates the one machine language into an instruction set like a register. So you will be reading more about this in your computer architecture subjects. And for example, we will be taking that move R1, 50. It means that 50 will be stored or moved to the R1 register. So it's very easy to understand for the humans comparative to the machine language. The next one is a medium level language, which is a combination of low level language and high level language. So it used in gamings and controlling this robotics and create the software and work with very fast. So here we will be using that C++ programming languages. On the next third one is very important. That is what a high level language which will be used by us. That's is human. We can easy to read that. We will be coding. That's what the high level language. So here how the computer gets understanding we have written the code. It will be compiled or interpreted. That means it is translating to the machine language to understand for the computer. So for what we are using the compiler and interpreter, we will be majorly using in the Python, Java, C. So it is used to develop the website, mobile apps, in data science, AI, even in the games. You may be asking me that what is compiler and what is interpreter. So compiler is nothing but it translates the whole program into a machine language only at once. Before running the program, it will compile it. It will translate the whole program into that machine language like which it can able to understand. Then it started to run. So this happens separately every time. So this happens before running. Like it is in the flow of first we will be giving our program. It will be compiled into a machine language. Then it will be running. Then it will give us the output. And you may ask what is the interpreter then? Now it is nothing but it translate and run our program even line by line. Note this point, line by line. So machine doesn't need storage here because it translates and tell to us line by line. Now I'm saying hi, now it will say that they are greeting you, and I'm saying opening a channel named called Learn With Me. It means it will be tell that translating into your next one. So it will be line by line translating one. So here doesn't need storage for the machine language. So it is very easy to test. And let's see that some of the important languages like object oriented language. It is like in this the way of writing the program using objects. Some objects we will be using to represent some of the example, we take that car. Now car has many things, like it has a color, brand, it has some speed variations, it has price variation. This all in the object called car. It takes care of these things. We can easily tell that this car has this price, this car has this color, likewise. And next one is a procedural language. It will be working on the sequence of operation performed by computer. What it will do, the whole program will become cut down into smaller chunks to solve these chunks and then execute it one by one. And the next one is functional language. Will be like we calling a function. It will be execute what is in this function. So that is what a functional language. It executes every program in the form of a function. It focuses on rather than what to do and how to do. So it will be what we have to do, like that only it will be focusing on. So here no changing values in the parameters. We have given the two values, then we have to input the two values. If we have given the integers, we have to give the input integer. No other formats like float or otherwise a boolean, something else. So this will be we will be seeing this later. Next, it is very useful. We can use this instead of loops too. So let's see this example. This is in a Python program. Define greeting. Print hello subscribers. It means whenever we call the greet, it means it will be printing us that hello subscribers. It's just calling the functions. And next one is add a comma b return a plus b. Here the print in the sum is that result we are going to print, but we have given in the result that 5 comma 3. If we have initiated that integer and integer, we have to give integer, float and float. Now I had to give float. Instead of that we have giving the double or otherwise something other any other characters. It won't accept. It will be showing us error or arithmetic error. And the next one is scripting language. It's nothing but it will be running the task automatically, like print. Print means it's know that we have to display the value. So it is used to write a small program that tell other softwares or application what you have to do. Print means it will know that we have to display the value. So no need to compile or here. So that's what you have. So okay guys, that's all for today. Let's see in the next video. Do you have any doubts? Comment me guys. Tata, see you, bye bye. Subscribe to my channel.